Hi, and welcome back. This is Angel Hawks with Hawks Nesting Plans, and today I have a haul from Archer and Olive. All right, let's dig into this stuff. I've got some new metallic acrylograph markers. They come in such a nice box. These boxes are like heavy duty. Very nice storage boxes. And then it has the foam insert. Look at these beautiful pens. These are truly beautiful pens. They are bullet tip. Yep, bullet tip. Metallic acrylic paint pens. And it comes with extra nibs in case you need some. And look at the beautiful colors. They are so pretty. We're going to do pen tests with these so you can see how beautiful they are. Yeah, I am very excited about that. Okay. All right, that is the Acrylograph pen set. Next, I have the Acrylograph pens, the Jewel Selection. So these are double-sided or double-ended pens, and they're both brush tip for hand lettering. And I love this because these are the same tips that you find on, let me pull one of mine. This, the Tombow Food and Suke pens. You see the tip? It's the same tip, which I love. I hand letter with that all the time. It's for writing small letters. And then this is a big brush tip. And I was like, oh, I don't know about this. But when I show it to you, it is stiff. It's stiffer than typical brush pen that has a lot of movement in it. And it makes a really nice letter. So, yay, I'm excited about those. I can't wait to try them out. We're going to try them out today. And last, look at this beautiful box, y'all. This is a beautiful box, and it's heavy duty. It's like really thick, nice, beautiful box that you can store your stuff in. And this is a handcrafted journal. It is the Neapolitan Notebook. It's got 160 GSM dot grid pages. It's ultra thick paper, and it's called Neapolitan because look at that beautiful bee. I love it. I think that is just gorgeous. It's called Neapolitan because it has 3 different colors of paper. It comes with black, white, and craft color. So look at this beautiful notebook. I can't wait. And what's really great about these, the craft and the black are really going to show the metallic pens. So those metallic acrylograph pens are going to show up so nicely on this. And then it's dot grid on all the pages. So I'm really, really excited. I'm going to practice hand lettering in here. And it has a pin loop, comes with a strap, and it's a really nice linen cover. And then that platinum embossing is beautiful of that bee. That is gorgeous. I can't wait to use this. Look at the shine, y'all. That is just crazy. So that is the Neapolitan Notebook. from Archer and Olive. And now we get to try it out. Let's try out the pens and the notebook. I'm so excited. Okay. Okay, nobody tell my husband because this is my Christmas present and or my birthday present. Maybe my birthday. Yeah, birthday comes before Christmas, so we'll call it birthday. I'm already using it, but let's see. This one's gotten glued in place. A little wonky, but you know what? I'll just skip it. Since it's glued down, I'll just skip it. This is a hand-sewed book, and it has a beautiful ribbon in this book. Oh, it comes with 2 ribbons. That's nice. And one of them, look at this. Look how pretty. Isn't that just gorgeous? That is beautiful. I love that. So you have 2 ribbons, one with a charm and the other one plain. Okay, let's start using it. I'm so excited. Okay. What should we try first? Let's do the brush pens first, since I'm on white paper. And I'm a little nervous, y'all, to write in a fresh, new, pretty book. But we're going to do it anyway because, you know, I can always rip the page out or whatever. But that's what I got it for, to letter. So let's try out these beautiful pens. Okay, I kind of like this one. It's like a pink, mauve-y color. Okay, so first the little one. What is my favorite word to write? Let's write journal. That's a G, not a J. Had to think of a G word really quick. What do you think? Pretty? Looks pretty good. Okay, so that's the little brush end. And let's take another color and do the larger brush end. And just because I don't want to mess this up, I'm going to grab a scratch piece of paper. Okay, so that was the little brush. And then this is the large brush tip. And what I like about these, let me play with this, is I wonder if I have another brush tip. Let me get another brush tip out to compare. This is a Sta Metallic Brush Pen. And I'm going to push down and you can see how much give is in that tip. And it is hard to get a lot of thick and thin. It just comes out a lot of fat, a lot of thick and not much thin. But with this one, you get the thick and the thin. And the reason is the brush tip does not have a lot of give. Do you see how that is? I'm pushing down and I'm only getting this much give, whereas the other brush tip bent a whole lot when I push down. So that's why these are really good. So you get more thick and thin with this brush tip. So there you go. I need to practice more, but that is what the two different tip sizes give you. These colors are so pretty. I really like these. I like these pens a lot. There you go. So there's a pen test, and first start at my new journal. I love these colors. I love the two different brush sizes. Now let's go to the black. And let's try out the metallic. Put these back in the box. Really nice box. Store them in. Let's go for the metallics. Ooh, they're so pretty. I can't wait to try them. I gotta get my scratch paper because they are paint pens. They have to be primed to shape them. And they have to be primed. So I'll work on this and come back. Okay. So now I have primed all the colors, and you can see here a test swatch of what they look like on white paper, and then we're going to test them out on black paper. The only thing about these is they're not brush tip, so we're not going to get any kind of thick or thin unless I just, use pull up really carefully and try to get a thin stroke, but I'm not very good at that, so it probably won't happen. But the metallics, look, this is this pinky purple color right here. And Let's try big H. So you can see how it really pops on the black. I love that. I love it so much. That one got a little wonky on me, but you can see how it is, it really just pops on that black, the metallic colors. And my new hand lettering practice book journal, which I love. It's so beautiful. I can't wait to try it out and do some Bible verses and some inspiration, some affirmations, and lots of fun stuff in my Neapolitan notebook. I hope you enjoyed this haul from Archer and Olive. Kind of a small haul, but really cool things. And I hope that you enjoyed seeing all of the beautiful colors. I will have a link to Archer and Olive down below. Thank you for spending your time with me. If you like what you see, please give me a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button so you'll be notified every time I upload new content. And till next time, be blessed.